In this video, I'll show you how to export your Lovable website and host it online. First, open your browser and go to Lovable. Log into your account using your email and password. Once you are on your dashboard, find the project you want to export and open it. Inside the project, look for the GitHub icon in the top right corner and click on it. Select Connect GitHub. If you are already signed into GitHub in your browser, this will go quickly. Otherwise, sign into GitHub when prompted and authorize the connection. Choose where you want the repository to be placed. Select your personal account or the correct organization. If you see a Transfer Anyway button, click it to confirm. Once the transfer is complete, click the View link to open your newly created GitHub repository. Inside the repository, click the green Code button and select Download Zip. Once it finishes downloading, find the zip file in your Downloads folder and extract it. You now have a clean folder with all your site files. Now let me show you the fastest way to get your site live using Netlify or Vercel. This method is recommended because any changes you make in Lovable will automatically update your live site. Open Netlify or Vercel and log in using your GitHub account. Click on Add New Site and select Import from GitHub. Find and select the repository that Lovable created for you. The platform will automatically detect the build settings. The build command will be npm run build, and the output directory will be dist. You do not need to change anything. Click Deploy and wait a few seconds. Your site will be live on a URL straight away. That is how you do it.